Hello everyone, and welcome to section 7.3 and 8.5, where we're going to be talking about applications of triangles. In other words, we're going to solve a triangle in order to find a certain length or angle. And so we're going to have right triangles and other triangles. So we have all of these formulas that we know about. So for a right triangle, we have the Pythagorean theorem. We have SOHCAHTOA. We also know that the sum of all three angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So if we have a right triangle, one of the angles is going to take up 90 degrees. So there's 90 degrees left for the other two angles. So we can use those only for right triangles, but for any triangle whatsoever, we could use the law of sines or the law of cosines. So we have the law of sines, and it can appear this way or this way, and it doesn't matter which way you use as long as you're consistent. In other words, you can't have one side of the law of sines look like this and the other side look like this. So you have to be consistent, either this or this. And then of course we have the law of cosines. And the law of cosines can appear 6 different ways depending on what you want to find. Either side A or side B or side C, or angle A or angle B or angle C. So we have all of those formulas available to us. So let's take a look at the first problem. So the first problem says we have a 20-foot ladder that leans against a building so that the angle between the ground and the ladder is 77 degrees. How high does the ladder reach on the building? So I drew a picture. Here's the ground, here's the building, here's the 20-foot ladder. And it says the angle between the ground and the ladder is 77 degrees. So there's our 77 degree angle. And then it wants us to find how high the ladder reaches up the building. So we want to find that distance. So I called it H for height. Well, we have an angle. This is the opposite side. This is the hypotenuse. So opposite hypotenuse, that's sine. So sine of 77 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side, so h over 20. So multiply both sides by 20, and you get the height is equal to 19.4879, and so on, feet. So please pause the video, take a few minutes, do problem 2, and then restart the video.